Hey guys, it's me Nini and welcome to Remote Philippines Jobs. And today we have here Marivic and we're going to interview her and ask her about her testimonies regarding our agency. But before we start, Marivic, can you first introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Marivic Cabrera. I live at Molino, Bacoor, Cavite, and I'm part of the Remote Philippines job.
Can I ask what is your job regarding our agency?
I'm part of the recruitment team wherein I do the follow-ups and squeezed follow-ups with the applicants who apply as a chatter or any roles that we have on Remote Philippines job right now.
That's a good thing that we know your background regarding our agency. So, tanong ko lang, before joining Remote Philippines job, what kind of work you were doing before?
I'm working as a BPO call center representative, a chat support, and I also have an experience as a QA from my previous company. So I stayed there for 6 years, and then
Matagal din pala.
almost yes, almost all of my experiences is about customer service related.
So, madali lang sa'yo yung work mo yan kasi same lang na customer related, di ba?
Yes.
So, nung nasabi mo nga na nag-apply ka dito, saan mo ba nalaman yung remote Philippines job? Saan mo to nakita? Papaano ba? Through social media or through referral ng friend mo?
Through social media. So I'm looking for a part-time job because I still have my uh, job right now, but I wanted to have like a part-time job and also the experience. So I tried to look online and then I saw a video post on
TikTok.
TikTok. Then yes, it's your video actually, and it's about you wanna apply for a part-time
Overtime,
job
yeah.
or like a flexible role. So that's what I'm looking for. Kaya ginrab ko na siya. I tried it.
So, after mo nakita yung video na yun, what make you decide to apply knowing na ngayon, madami ng scams online? So, what make you take the risk?
Yeah, so I just followed what the post says. So it usually said that go to our post wherein there is a link
A link, yeah.
of the website where yes, are you going to apply for the job? So when I go to the website, I saw Trustpilot reviews. So I saw that people are working here and with good reviews. So, tinry ko na siya kasi mukha naman talaga siyang legit with those testimonies from people who work here.
So, parang hindi naman talaga mukhang scam ako, no? Legit talaga. Kasi, I'm interviewing you right now. So, that's one of the
Yes.
proof, di ba, na we're legit and hindi tayo scams. So, after you apply, can you tell us how long yung process mo and what time or when ka nag-start agad?
Actually, it's really smooth and fast transaction because nung nag-apply ako after ko mag-application form, Mary already contacted me and then I scheduled for an interview right away because my slot pa that day.
Yeah.
Then after that, I already received the feedback. Then the next day, I already started working.
Di ba ang bilis lang? Like,
That's
walang
really
kahirap-hirap.
yes.
So that's why it's really important talaga na to take the risk kasi di mo alam kung matatanggap ka ba kung hindi mo try, di ba? And tignan mo, after
True.
you applied, pasok, hired ka na agad, and the next day you have a job.
Yes, that's
So,
right.
for you, what was your first impression sa team nung nag-start ka na ng work?
Actually, my first impression, because there are other feedbacks that VA is hindi siya madali. So, parang it depends pa din sa client. So, super swerte din with our bosses. They're really
Yeah,
kind
agree.
and it's really a super flexible job
Yeah.
because you just need to finish all the tasks that you have and then you're the one who's going to manage your time on when you're going to do it.
Hawak mo talaga yung work mo at saka is nasa bahay ka lang so you don't need to
Mm-mm.
gastos pa for your commute and for your food kasi nandiyan ka lang
Yes,
sa
and
bahay.
especially the traffic.
Yeah,
The
avoid talaga
traffic
sa
in the
traffic.
Philippines.
Yung traffic pa naman dito sa atin is sobrang hirap. So,
Grabe.
ask ko lang, do you work alone ba or with a team?
I work alone here, but I am team up with Mary under
Yeah.
the recruiting team.
So, under HR.
Yes.
So, what can you say about our company's culture or our environment?
Our environment is really stress-free, not like sa BPO. There are some micromanaging, but here once you do your task and then you finish it, you don't have any problems with our bosses. And as long as you do good, you're going to receive your pay. Really good.
Worth na worth, di ba?
Yeah.
So, my last question for you is, what advice would you give to someone na takot to take a risk? Or takot mag-apply?
My option or my opinion para sa kanila is try lang ng try kasi lahat naman talaga doon nag-uumpisa.
Yes.
So, if ever in the process you can see that this is a scam, then you can stop. But you still need to try it first just to prove if scam nga ba yun talaga or hindi. So, need mo talagang makita yung mga kung paano yung application process and ano yung ino-offer nila before ka mag-decide.
Yeah. That's a good advice sa mga taong gustong mag-apply sa atin. So, can you invite them na, or encourage them na mag-apply sa atin ngayon? Like, small words lang. Or tell them kung gaano kaganda yung ating agency.
Alright. Hi guys. For those who wanna apply, just try it first, and then you're going to see that our bosses are really kind. The
Yeah.
tasks are easy, and you really have 100% assistance if you really need to like be on a call para lang ma-assist ka sa mga questions mo. They're really willing to do that. So you can try it. Wala namang mawawala. Ang dami ding
Tama.
talagang mga works diyan na scam talaga siya, pero this one is legit.
Yep.
And we are receiving our pays really really true
Yeah, at hindi pa
kasi
ano,
baka
hindi
yung
pa late.
iba.
Hindi pa late.
Yes, true. Yun lang naman. So just try it so para malaman nyo kung ano talaga yung meron kay Remote Philippines Job.
Yes, that's right. So thank you, Mary, for having as one of our interviewees here, and thank you for giving your time to us. And I hope that you guys have learned and will be encouraged na mag-apply dito sa amin. So thank you, Mary. Bye.
Bye!